Ah, vampire hiccups, huh? You haven't had those in quite a while, V.
Your little fluttering was always so cute.
But, Papa, they won't go away. And they're getting worse, too.
Yes. Not so cute if you start flying through the ceiling and making holes in the roof.
Mama! Papa? Is anyone here? Howdy, V. Welcome to your very own living room rodeo. I mean, why would a rodeo be scary? Because... baby cows! I gotta get out of here! Giant baby cow!
Not that way, Demi, this way.
Well, I can't see a thing in here. Ta-da!
V?
Did it work?
It did! It did! Wow! That was the best care I've ever had! Thanks, everyone. With your help, I even feel brave enough to get close to a baby cow! Or maybe not quite yet. That's why we came up with a cow that you could get comfortable with. It's a cow fire! Cute and spooky.